looking for a dozer in Oklahoma. I've made it to Oklahoma, and we're looking at us a D6N dozer today, and I'm really kind of excited about it. It's an old farm machine way out here in the boonies of Oklahoma, but we are here, and we're going to check her out. Hopefully this gentleman doesn't mind being on the old channelito. Yeah, excited. Come check it out. Oh, catch this stop. Look at this stop sign. You better stop. The plywood says so. Welcome. If you're from Oklahoma, I'm not hating zero. I love coming over here. It's just really different from where we are. We got metal stop signs in Arkansas.
Hello.
Hey, good morning, sir. This is
Good morning.
I'm at the dead end of the road, brother. Did I go too far?
Yeah, back up, and there's that little dog shop. I don't know if you've seen that or not.
Yes, sir. That little dog grooming shop?
Yep. If you'll turn south right there, there's a great gravel drive. You're going to turn towards a couple of chicken houses.
Yes, sir.
And I'll meet you at them chicken houses.
Okay, I'll be there shortly, sir.
We'll see you in a minute.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye. Seems like a pretty okay guy. We definitely in the wrong spot. I'm trying not to get shot out here in the boonies of wherever county we're in Oklahoma here. Pew pew. This guy's probably super nice. I'm just a little nervous. Okay, those are looking like some nice Arkansas Tyson chicken houses over there. Big old hay barn. All right. The dozer's not stolen, guys. We're good. The dozer is not stolen. All right. Yeah, no, I saw it when I come in, so we may have to stop and look at that. What is that? An old cat?
It's an 07.
Yeah?
D7, yep. Military dozer that we used, and it was a heck of a beast. But
Wasn't it?
It gave up the ghost right there.
Did it?
Mhm.
That's where she laid, huh?
That's where she laid.
Man,
Look at that thing.
dude, it's so
That's
pretty.
sick.
Dude, you know how hard it is to find a D6N that's not
Oh, yeah.
beat to crap? I know.
This thing is a gem, I'm telling you.
And I was surprised when you got up here. I love seeing a crap load of grease in there. Every machine knuckle I got. I buy Amsoil grease for all the guys. They all got a Milwaukee gun. We don't play around with it. I mean, the grill's not beat out of it. Go. LTP, them big old wide tracks. Dude, that's sick. It's exactly what we need.
Play with it.
Yep. You got stumps in here?
I'm gonna build some more chicken houses right here.
Are you?
So, yep. I was just clearing it off and just started on it 2 nights ago. Actually.
Are you gonna do it all yourself? Buy something bigger?
No, I don't have time.
Yeah, I didn't figure so, sir. Money's a tool to buy time. Is what I figured out.
These are my toys. So
Appreciate
I just got rid of a 326 X.
I know. I saw it, and I was pissed that I
excavator.
bought it from you.
So I found that one, but I just they're just toys to me.
Understood.
These are my
Anyway.
getaways.
Yes, sir.
Go ride it till dark.
Mm-hmm. I found God on a dozer 2 years ago when I was building my house. It was a dark spot, and literally I sat on a dozer for 18 months and cleared my whole spot up here in the driveway and everything, and it was awesome, dude.
Yeah.
It was just me and him. But no, this is that's a big mamma jamma. That's what we're talking about. It gets my heart going, man. And the door's still all together, by God. The frame's still together. The seat ain't tore all apart. She just died flat. I may have done something.
Hey, I'd rather be doing it now than you call me later.
I put it in forward, and I'm literally just easing off my pedal to go. right? Just push my brake up here.
Let me
You
have
get,
it
you
for a
get.
second. So, got me a little concerned.
Me and you both. It's probably operator error. Hoping it's operator error, and he can just take off pushing with it. But the cool thing is, guys, it's probably something simple, fuel filters or something if it consistently dies. He's got her going just fine. Yeah. Because let me tell you about my luck,
I
sir.
don't know what you poured in that cab when
Oh,
you got in it,
God.
but
No way!
he's a hawk.
I could call Les on that. I'm serious.
If you don't care, send me his number.
Yeah,
because
I
that's-
sure will.
I mean,
He's a very, very good friend of mine. Old winch cable on him. That's just too cool, dude. That's history.
yep.
It's what built America. It just built the world. I'm big on blue collar. You know what I mean? Obviously.
Yep.
And next generation and who we are and where we came from and never forgetting it and trying to fix. That's cool. V7H right here. That was factory on that machine. That's so cool, man. Alright, fellers, we went and looked at that dozer this morning. I've been telling you guys that I was probably going to get rid of the Pete's, our old blue Pete's, and I think this guy right here has the truck that I think we're going to replace him with. I'm going to come down from 3 dump trucks down to 2. I think that's going to suit our needs a little bit better. We have the 2 solid drivers. We just need a little bit more updated truck. There's the truck. So I'm gonna pull up here to the shop. I hate doing this. I love going to look at equipment, but meeting people at their residences is a little sketchball for me. I don't know if we're at the right facility, and I'm dealing with a guy that's helping sell the piece of equipment, so I don't even have this guy's number, and I just pulled up to his house, so I'm not just gonna go knock on the door. I'm gonna get on the phone. But I think that's not the truck. That's not the truck. I don't know, guys. I think we're in the right spots. Let's go back here and look at the ad. I think that's the truck. Don't quite know yet. Waiting to find out. Yeah, I really don't know. There's a guy right there. How are you, sir? This other one, get it running for my other driver. Sorry, we do YouTube. I don't know. It don't matter, but we got about almost 10,000 subscribers on there. It's kind of crazy about doing equipment, and I got a bunch of young guys. I got all 29, 28, bunch of guys that you say probably can't do their work anymore, right? I get it. I get it. I surely do, but I'm trying to change the opinion on it. I mean, there is still some of us. I'm 31. Me and my wife are. We've been doing this 8 years this month. And do I know everything? No, sir, I don't. I learn every single day. But there's 25 of us, and average age of about 32. So I'm trying to show the world, hey, look, being this guy isn't too terribly bad, you know.
I can raise that bed.
No, you're good, boss. You're good. I'm just checking. From talking to Barry, I think you're probably pretty straight as they come. It's a good old truck, dude. Doesn't have a panel on it, so neither one of them need it. Well, bud, I guess maybe it's his first time. Newer Kenworth, huh? Oh, let's hand the gentleman his phone, maybe. Is that yours? Okay, definitely right. I like it a lot so far. All right, we got really good oil pressure. He's been running it. It's not hot. We got good volts. We got about half a tank. We got our suspension gears. I do like that. Obviously, the cruise works. We got regen. This is our dumping controls. got jag brakes. That's nice. Can I go this way? First day. Little rough there. Little rough too. Golly. Alright, man, she drives good though. All gauges seem to be working. So this is a 2014 model guy. I'm sorry, 2012 model. I'm looking at a 2014 model as well, but it's that good ones only.
Yeah, good ones only.
One finger. That's all it takes, guys. We don't have to. Okay? We don't need none of that. Welcome to being a super trucker. Let's go pop the hood on this sucker. Yup. Man, I know we probably just shut the camera off of me like freaking out. Oh man, who's this? Who's this? But you know what? Call it destiny or the good Lord above. He puts you in the right spot at the right time to meet new people. I was supposed to meet them guys, and I don't know. Really cool, really cool people. That gentleman's 61 years old. He's done this his entire life. He's now helping his son-in-law get going. Buy that truck off of him. Sitting there talking to him. Just me being 31, when I get in somewhere with somebody like that, I'm all ears. I'm a sponge. I want to learn as much as I possibly can, as quick as I possibly can, from them and from what they're saying. And because I don't know if you guys don't know this, but 30 and 40-year-olds, we don't know everything. You know what? We may have all the experience in the world and education and all that, but it's people like that opening up to you and telling about personal stories they've had. And you know, man, he's done dirt work for 30 years. He's got something to tell me. So it was really cool fellowshipping with them, talking about the truck. I think we found us a dump truck. That's a pretty nice old dump truck. I really kind of like it. I think it's gonna be perfect for what we need. Factory built dump truck. And hope everything works out. That's all I can say.